Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bed tray tables that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Biofy Folding Lap Desk. This tray stands out with its larger than average size, coming in at 23 inches long and 15.5 inches wide, making it ideal for those who need extra surface area. It's perfect for a range of activities, from working on a laptop to enjoying a meal or even studying. What's more, it features a built-in cup holder and a groove for holding tablets, phones, or books, adding a layer of functionality. The design is simple yet practical. The sturdy wooden build is paired with foldable legs that allow for easy storage and portability. Despite its spacious surface, it weighs just 4.4 pounds, and the black finish gives it a sleek, modern look. However, the unfinished edges of the wooden surface might not appeal to everyone, and some users have noted that the cup holder feels a bit shallow, limiting its ability to hold larger mugs securely. Overall, the Biofy Lap Desk offers a great balance of utility and comfort. While it lacks advanced adjustability features, its size and thoughtful design make it a great choice for those who need a multifunctional tray for both work and leisure. It's particularly well-suited for anyone who spends long hours working or relaxing in bed or on the sofa. Taking the number 3 spot is the Easoger 2-pack breakfast in bed tray. This upgraded design includes a detachable stand for holding mobile devices, making it perfect for those who like to multitask while enjoying breakfast in bed. Each tray measures 16.92 by 12.6 inches, providing ample space for snacks, drinks, or a compact laptop setup. Crafted from sturdy bamboo, the Easoger trays are lightweight yet durable. The foldable legs make them easy to store, and the built-in handles allow for effortless portability. The bamboo material not only looks great, but is also environmentally friendly. However, at 5.04 pounds for the pair, they are heavier than some of the other options on this list, which might be a consideration for users prioritizing portability. The Easoger trays are ideal for those who want versatility. Whether you're recovering from surgery, working on a project, or simply enjoying a cozy meal, these trays deliver. The detachable stand is a unique feature that enhances usability, but the lack of a higher weight capacity and dishwasher safety might be drawbacks for some. Overall, this set offers great value and functionality for its price. In second place, we have the Pipishell Bamboo Bed Tray Table. This tray is a bestseller for a reason, offering a thoughtfully designed, multi-purpose surface that's perfect for meals, work, or relaxation. Measuring 15.8 by 11 inches, it's compact yet functional, with foldable legs that make storage a breeze. The surrounding tray lips prevent spills, ensuring your bed or sofa stays clean. The standout feature of the Pipishell tray is its natural bamboo construction. Not only is bamboo a sustainable material, but it also provides a lightweight, durable build. At just 1.67 pounds, this is one of the lightest trays on this list, making it incredibly easy to carry around. The smooth handles add to its portability, while the natural wood finish offers a timeless aesthetic that blends well with any decor. While the Pipishell tray lacks advanced features like adjustable angles, its simplicity is part of its charm. It's best suited for users who want a reliable, easy-to-use tray for casual dining, light work, or reading. The combination of quality, design, and affordability makes this tray a fantastic choice for most households. Finally, our top pick is the Seiji Height and Angle Adjustable Laptop Stand. This tray is a game-changer, offering unparalleled adjustability with 5 height settings, 9.4 to 12.6 inches, and 4 angle options, 0 to 36 degrees. Whether you're working, eating, reading, or watching a movie, this tray adapts to your needs, making it the most ergonomic option on our list. The design is modern and highly functional, made from durable wood and high-quality aluminum. The Seiji tray supports up to 80 pounds, making it sturdy enough for heavy laptops or multiple items. It also includes a soft wrist rest pad and a retractable blocker to prevent your devices from sliding, ensuring maximum comfort and security. While it's slightly heavier at 4.59 pounds, the tray folds flat for easy storage and portability. The combination of advanced features, premium build quality, and thoughtful design makes it an unbeatable choice for anyone looking for a versatile, high-performance bed tray table. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves breakfast in bed, this tray is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.